How can you look elegant and chic while still dancing salsa, bachata, kizomba, all those kinds of dances? And don't worry about your dresses, not pulling them up and down. If you are here for some inspiration, then welcome to my channel, I'm Mia. But without further ado, let's start with the first dress I would recommend you if you're looking for something for dancing. This is a white dress from Shein. It's pretty tight, so I have an XS. So you could size up, but it still fits, but I have to like really jump into it, but it fits. Hopefully it doesn't like fall off my body while dancing. I really hope. The last time I wore it, I had a second dress just in case. So it's a really pretty slit. It's very tight, so it makes a really nice figure. With the slit you can move easily and do your dance steps, so it's pretty nice. Up in here it's also have a very interesting thing. So it's like one side and it doesn't really fall off, so that's pretty nice. I really like it. Was not the most cheapest thing on Shein, was a little bit on their premium brand. I'm not sure if you can call it a premium brand at Shein, but was more than the usual cost of a dress. So let's have a look on the second dress. So this is dress number 2, also with a slit, and I really love the color. It was available in black, dark red and dark green, and this dual blue color, and I really fell in love with this dress. And this color was on sale, so that was 2 points with 1 spoon. Do you say that? It's also not so tight like the other one. It has a little bit more loose to it, but the slit is really nice. Look at that. The nice thing is that it has a nice neck. If you dance and you have something like that, it might be a little bit uncomfortable because you want to move your hands nicely. Don't worry about that. So if you pull it a little bit up, it also has this little silicone things. I'll come a little bit closer and show you the silicone things. So as you can see here, it sticks a little bit to your body. It clings a little bit, so it doesn't move somewhere you don't want anybody to see. So that's pretty nice. I really recommend this dress. I think this is even my favorite of this haul, but I will show you a little bit more. So this is the third dress, and actually it's not from Mitten, it's from a little, I would say, boutique, something like that. But I will try to find a similar version somewhere on the internet, so take a look at the description box. There are all the links. And I really love the color. It's like a dark wine red. I hope you can see it. I will come a little bit closer. Oh yeah, now it's better. You can see it's like a very like cherry color, and the back is so pretty. Look at that. I mean, really nice. And the useful thing is it has a built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about your bra straps, about like destroying the neck, and it's pretty a plus. And again, we have a slit. I'm really into the slits right now, because I think it's very useful for dancing. I will show you an option which you should not get if you want to dance salsa, bachata or whatever. This is a plus. And I also got the same exact dress in black. So this is the exact version in black. Also pretty nice. I think it's a little bit tighter and a little bit shorter, although these are one fits all sizes. It's not. You can see a little bit of like things, you know, dust, stuff like that on it, so you have to use a lint roller every time you wear it, because it's like a velvet material, so it has a little bit more extra, but still it's very nice. It has the same back, still the same built-in bra, so really nice. And one thing you should really avoid if you want to have a nice dress for dancing is this dress. For example, this dress, it's really gorgeous. I really love it. I think it's elegant and chic, blah blah. But the thing is, you cannot really move because it's very tight in here on the knees, and it doesn't have a slit, so you cannot really like do nice things. Like it stops you from like spreading your legs. I mean, sounds a little bit bad, but you know, this little rondays you want to do or stuff like that. You cannot really do it with that. Because it really ties and it like keeps your legs together. Otherwise, it's a gorgeous dress if you have like a nice event I mean, certainly not a wedding because it's white, although they have it in different colors as well. But if you have like a nice evening or like a gala or something, then for sure it's amazing. But if you want to have a salsa dress, bachata, whatever dress you want for dancing, then this is not an option. Like, really keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's really pretty. Like, turn around if you see it. So we have this beautiful set, and it's also for dancing, because I want to stock up my dancing wear, and I really like the structure. It's not like a real normal flat structure, but I will come a bit closer so you can see that. It has this nice little, it's like a texture. I think it's so lovely, and I really do like sets. So the skirt also has this twisted, so you can like eat a lot and your belly wouldn't show, or it's not so obvious. It's not like so skin tight, but it's still nice and tight on the bum. And it could be a little bit longer for my opinion, but it's still fine. So if you like struggle, stroke your arms. I hope you don't see anything. You might see a little bit, but anyway, I really like it. I think I really love the slit, so it's a bit longer, a little bit more elegant. Not like super elegant, but for dancing I think it might work. But I think it's a really nice set. So, and you can also mix and match it. You can wear another black or white top with it. And of course you can wear the top with, I don't know, high-waisted trousers or something more elegant. But for that, I really like it. Let's have a look on the next set. So one of the first jumpsuits of this haul is this nice silky emerald green jumpsuit. And it's not perfect. It has a little of a mistake, but I will show you that later. It's pretty loose on the legs, as you can see here. Weird moves. But the real reason why I got it is this backless, you know? And I think it's so pretty, but it's really nice in here. But in here it gets worse. Here it looks a little bit like a diaper, so I'm not probably going to keep it. And I wanted to show you the little sewing mistake. It's kind of weird because I try to show you that. Like, look at this, can you see that? So here they didn't sew it correctly, but I guess that can always happen. So I will send this one back. Maybe I will reorder another one, maybe not, I don't know. But I really love this backless thing. So this is the second jumpsuit, and I don't know what to think about it. Maybe I just have a bad day where I just cannot make any decisions. Maybe it's just a day where I cannot just make any decisions. Maybe you know that kind of feelings where you are not sure about anything in life. I really like this bow, so I will come a little bit closer to you. This bow's in here, although my bows are not that pretty right now, but I guess I can tie it a little bit better if I want to. So also a thing that's really nice, it's my size. So normally I have like 1 meter left because I'm super tiny. So the fit is actually pretty good. I like the color, although I have pretty lot of in this color now. And I love the look with golden jewelry to it. What do you think? Should I keep this jumpsuit? Because the other one is a little bit male function. But this one, I have an idea for this one. Wait, let me finish that in a second. So, maybe something even like that. I don't know if this will hold up, but I tried to tie it a little bit different. So I tied this one in here, in the back, and the other two I tied like that. Could be maybe a way to wear it. Maybe it could fall off, but if you're having like a nice sitting evening or something, then maybe, or maybe not. But let's have a look on the next outfit. So this is another set, and I'm not super convinced with that. I mean, it's a nice set, I like the color, and basically there's nothing wrong with it, but the neck or the décolletage is pretty high, so pretty huge, I would say. And you always have to adjust so you don't see the bra. If I move, Okay, now nothing happens. But later if I move, for sure there will be like everything exposed. So I'm not really a fan of the top. I think it's a little bit short and a little bit too tight. It has a slit. I really love slits. And basically it's a nice thing. So if you like it, you can buy it, but I am not going to keep it. I don't really know why. I cannot really give you a reason. I mean, the fit is nice, but it just doesn't really make the cut. So I'm going to send it back. So have a look if you want to have it. Another set, another try, and the idea is really nice. You have this nice crop top with this like skin colored ties, which should supposed to like look like you have like a floating crop top. It has like a nice tie in the back. It's not perfect. I mean, you can see here it's like a little bit weird, but it's not bad. It's a bit too short, so you can see my bra, so please ignore it. The skirt, on the other hand, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but you have like a little undergarment, like in here, so everything's like nice and protected. But you can really see it here. And I think this really destroys the skirt. Otherwise it would look really nice. It's nicely skin tight, not too tight, has a nice slit. You know I like it. Hopefully. If not, you haven't listened, rewind the video. I think I will also send this one back because it's not perfection and you should only keep what you really like, what you really will wear for years and years, hopefully. But this is a nice idea, but it's not perfect. But what do you think? Is it also too long or too short? The material feels very nice, so that's a plus. But all in all, it's also not really perfect. So if you don't want to miss my next upcoming video, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so you're very sure you will not miss it when I upload, because sometimes you don't get notified if I upload. And meanwhile, if you want to see more hauls, I have a whole playlist in here. And if you want to see more styling tips, I have a whole playlist in here. My name is Mia and I will see you in the next video.